quick and easy delicious strawberry custard. Some dessert recipes take lots of time and dozens of ingredients. But if you're looking for something with all the sweetness you crave without all the time or effort, this quick dessert recipe that don't take any time at all to make. This is how I make quick and delicious strawberry custard without using custard powder. Let's make it. Bismillah. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk. Keep half cup milk separate. Half cup of powdered milk, optional. 1/3 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Few drops of strawberry essence. Pinch of red food color. Pour 1½ cup of milk into cooking pot. Heat milk. Do not let it boil. Heat until little bubbles form around the edges. Meanwhile, place powdered milk, sugar, cornstarch, salt, half cup of milk, strawberry essence, and drop of red food color. Whisk it until all ingredients mix well. Slowly add this mixture to heated milk. Stir continuously to avoid lumps or scalding to the pot. Cook over medium-low heat for 2 to 5 minutes, or until thickened. As soon as mixture thickens, remove it from the heat. To set faster, place in small ramekins or bowls. Note: in this recipe, powdered milk is optional. You can avoid it if you don't have any, or replace it with heavy cream, or ask me in comments below for more options. You can garnish with strawberry syrup, strawberries, sprinkles, jam, chopped tree nuts, chocolate, or serve hot custard with your choice of ice cream. If you have questions regarding this recipe, ask in the comments below and kindly hit the like button. And if I tried this recipe, come back and let me know how it was in the comments. For cold dessert, refrigerate it for 2 hours before serving by covering with plastic wrap to avoid filmy skin. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.